founder and managing director of Pravegam Shipping Private Limited. With over a decade of experience in the industry, I have built this thriving business of international freight forwarding, customs broking, warehousing and end-to-end logistics services. So I'm really excited, and I think this gives me the visibility where, since I always advocate for the women to come forward and come on the limelight, not being behind the scene. So this will give me a more confidence to go and tell them that, see, this is what it is. So we have to work, and this forum like India SME Forum is giving this kind of strength, which I'm really very happy and very much excited getting this out.